Jamaica, listen, this is your man, Steve Harvey. This COVID-19 has gotten out of hand, it's very bad, and it could do the same thing to my beloved Jamaica. You have a chance to get ahead of this thing, but you've got to do it by practicing social distancing. You've got to do it by quarantining, stay at home, stay away from large gatherings, stay away from people. Don't let people in your house. Stop shaking hands, man. And you have got to wash your hands. If you leave the house, wash your hands. If you've been sitting around, wash your hands. Keep your hands out your face and your eyes. You've got to do your best. Come on, Jamaica. We can't afford to let nothing happen to you. It's too beautiful over there, man. I want to come back and see you soon, but I want you all to be there. Protect yourself. Wash your hands. Practice social distancing and stay in the house. It's okay. It's okay. This too shall pass. Take care of yourself. This is your man, Steve Harvey, because I care about you, Jamaica. Yeah.